What's up guys? This is your Papa Casey and you are watching my YouTube channel. Here you can learn software that we use in surveying field like AutoCAD, Surveyor, Excel, Revit. So what are you waiting for guys? Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and you will learn more.
Remember this day, man, for it will be yours for all time.
Hi guys, this is your Papa Casey and today I will show you how to open your computer if in case you forget your password. And what the first step is, if you have a antivirus, just switch off, and if you don't have, I'm sure you have Windows security, just switch off that one.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Let's suppose you already switch off your antivirus, then plug in your hard drive or your hard drive, or if you save in your system, just go to the folder where you download that Rufus. What is the purpose of Rufus? Rufus software, it can make your USB or disk as an installer without Windows processor. We will open the computer by BIOS or DOS, if you know that one. Then let's go to our Rufus. Where are you, Rufus? Here I have version 3.11 Rufus. Okay, this is the Rufus. Then plug in your USB or your CD. It will show here which available on your system. For my side, I have only USB because my laptop don't have any CD-ROM, so I have only one option. Okay, so I already plugged in my USB. Then as well, just make it this one as a default, then select these files. This is all Windows password remover. Open, select this device files, and as I said, just make it this one as a default. You can change also the name, but for my side I don't want. Then start. For my side, I already made this on my other USB, so I just need to close this one. For you, you just start, then follow the instruction, then class. For example, we have already, or I have already, that password remover. Now we need to go to laptop. I will show you there one by one. Okay guys, so here just click this icon or HBCD menu, then program. Actually I already forget this system, but let's try and go to password key, then Windows login, then NTPW edit. You can edit this Windows by just click this one and path to some files, or just leave it, just make a default, then reopen. You will see before the account user is LG Electronics. This one we have, this one. For here, I'll just click change password. Actually, before I know how to see the password, but now I forget. What can I do only is direct change the password. I just click, for example, KC 3 5 5 1 2. Oh, why I cannot 1 2 3. Okay, verify KC 3 5 5 1 2 3, then okay, then save change, then close, then shut down. I shut down, right? Okay, then remove your USB. Okay, the magic key. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute. I shut down, not restart. Okay, I forget. Oh, 1 minute, 1 minute. See, it will run now. Okay, this model is very old. Vista, I don't think so if you will see on the market of this kind of laptop. LGS 900. I hope it will work. Okay, then type KC 5 5 1 2 3, enter. Oh, it's worked. Yeah, it's done. Thank you guys.